Ah, ah. What's up, guys? It's Big Vlogs back. So today, obviously, big day. Super big day. My exhaust finally came. I ordered this shit July 26th, the exact day. It came last Saturday, and today is what? Today's the 23rd, so it came like what, the 12th. I didn't have time to, obviously put it on because I was searching around. I'm not really good with I never put an exhaust on any car, bro. Well, I mean, I hope put one on a WRX, but this is a full exhaust. I was just a catback, so gonna be doing full exhaust today. I got the AWE Touring. Comes with a front pipe. I'm super excited. I've obviously heard other videos on YouTube. I watch this shit every day just to see what my car will sound like. But nothing really does justice when you have the exhaust and you hear it for yourself. So I know what it sounds like. It sounds really good. These cars sound terrible. Remus is ass. Jay's Racing. I did love Jay's Racing, but that shit sounds like ass too. And AWE really makes great exhaust. My boy has one on his S4. Multiple car companies. This is not one company. They body every car. So shit. Let's get this video started. We're gonna go pick up my boy because we're gonna do it at his job. Lift. I'm excited. We're in an undisclosed location. Lift. I'm gonna try to record a little. I do want to help, but yeah. So. First time I did lift. Let's get this shit lifted up. I'm gonna take the exhaust out. Everything set up. Yo, it's so funny. One of my boys is actually in here somewhere. His car's getting worked on. So this is crazy. Two Civics in a full bend spot. Sheesh. First time under the Type R. Bag melted on my exhaust. The thing I hate about this exhaust is that it's one piece, so I'm probably gonna have to cut it. Gotta get the strings off. This is the front pipe right there. Just unscrewing that. Yo, Honda made this shit mad inconvenient, bro. Yo, the turbo spool sounds crazy. Alright, so we're installing this exhaust. The hardest part is gonna be the front pipe. So all you need to do is unscrew the engine mount, and then once you do that, the engine moves. So you literally push the engine forward and have someone literally push the front pipe in, and you'll be good. Let's just save you some time. Because I just wasted 30 minutes of this time. Just gonna check real quick, tighten everything up. We're gonna fix the measurements on it, basically how far we want it sticking out. So we're gonna do all that, check if there's air, get some cold starts. Fix these. I kind of want a little pipe sticking out there. It's pretty dope. Damn. The moment we've all been waiting for. It's coming down.
2 hours later.
Sir. Mess. Woo! Yo. This looks really, really good. I'm so happy. With the Okay guys, so the day I installed the exhaust, I was just so hyped and excited, and I didn't get to record. And right, so I'm gonna record like what it sounds like. So basically, like going off of out of first, I'm not gonna do a crazy dig. I don't do digs in the Type R, but a couple revs right now, and shit, enjoy. This far. Shout out to you guys. Thanks for watching. Had to come back out, get a couple more footage for you guys because I didn't really get a lot of footage. So, feel me? I was actually like stepping on the car. It's been a minute. Gas prices been going crazy, so haven't been trying to step on the car. But yeah, we're slowly getting through the Type R build. I'm so excited for what's to come. So far, I'm happy with how the car is sitting. Has rims, exhaust, tints. That's all I really wanted for the time being before winter comes and I put it away. Definitely coming out spring, I'm gonna get new tires because every time I step on it, it's always skidding. So we're gonna change that. I want to get the Suma Performance side markers, just white to match the clear taillights. That's probably my favorite mod on this car right now. Type R is sitting so beautiful right now, bro. I'm so happy with where it's at. I do need some love though. Around the back, woo! Back end go crazy. Type R is a bit dirty. Shit, I don't remember the last time I washed this car. I am gonna take it back to Chris because we need to do adjusting on the exhaust. It sits a little, it's not too low, but it doesn't fit as snug as I wanted to. I was just too excited to even realize before, so like I didn't really care, but you know, OCD, now it's hitting me. So we're gonna change that soon, but I'm just so happy with where the car is. Like, I'm just so thankful. I'm enjoying every moment, and I just can't wait for what's to come, bro. I want to do 400 wheel in the spring, but we'll see. If not, who cares? It's gonna be slammed in the spring, so shit, I'm gonna be so excited. Really not trying to fold and take the Type R to a detailing spot, but it's getting cold, and I think it may be that time. I will be doing GoPro footage once the next full tank, so that'll definitely be right after this video. So I'm gonna get a GoPro footage of, you know, obviously the car with the AWE touring exhaust. I haven't really seen anybody like do footage like that. I've been trying to do like perspective on like videos that I wanted to see, and I haven't really seen anybody like, I guess, do the video that I'm about to put out. So hope you guys enjoy. If you're looking for this exhaust and you see this video, hope this made up your mind. It sounds great over like when you watch it on YouTube, but I'm telling you, bro, when you get it, like when you actually get the exhaust, this shit is actually louder than what I expected. Like, I thought it would just be okay, moderate. Like, bro, you can hear me from like 3-4 blocks away. Like, so shit, I don't even have a Mustang, so. Damn, I look fried, bro. I hope my trees don't see this, bro. Yeah, we're gonna wrap that video up. It's like 1:30. It was just mad spontaneous. I was like, fuck it, let me just go back outside, finish this up, because this is like 3 weeks and counting, and I should have finished this shit. So we're gonna get this done, upload it. If you made it this far, appreciate you. Keep watching, sub, tell a friend and tell a friend, and we just got more content coming. Spring, I definitely, one thing that I really got into as of late was obviously riding bikes. So shit, bro, I'm gonna have to invest in a whole new GoPro. Definitely the helmet that I want, because I want to do moto vlogs in the future. That's the near future for when everything gets planned out, but I'm not really worried about that. So it'll all come. I mean, shit, look how long I've been talking about this car, and it's here. So manifestation, hard work, just finish that off in case you needed to hear that. So it's your boy Vic's Vlogs, clocking out, and stay tuned for the next video.